very nice. Nice, man. Oh my god, I just have to record it, you guys. That's like a show. Hey guys, man, that's a nice. Enjoying the view. That's awesome. You go over here. Go this way, huh? People actually come down there. I know, just go this way. You want to walk down? Walk down here. Yep. Oh, good. Like to jump there. It's not that bad. I shouldn't go swimming. I can actually swim. I think about it. Maybe I should. You can. You just go down there. Huh? No, I'm fine. It's nice though. I don't know how's the water though. I think I'll just go down there. Holy shit, man. They just go over there and just swim. See it? They go down there, right? And they swim. Pretty cool though. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. I can record that dude. Let's see if this guy caught anything. Let's see if this guy caught anything. Maybe not. Catch anything? Oh, okay, it's kind of hot, huh? Man, we used to go like fishing up. A few friends, we used to go charter and we go here at night. We use one of those glow in the dark, you know, those stick fish go crazy on those. Oh, those? Oh, we never used them in deep sea, but when I fished before by the pier, like a Redondo Beach. Oh man, we used to catch a lot of fish on those. Oh, San Pedro? What kind of fish you normally catch here? Wow. Yeah, right now it's not light because it's kind of hot right now. The sun is like up. You go like a late afternoon or early morning. That's and you bring your lamp here, throw in here. What kind of bait do you use? But it's still better weather here though than back there. It's kind of warm. It's starting to warm up. This is nice and cool. Probably about 85 here right now with the breeze. Oh, you swim here? Still also kids back there swimming? Oh yeah. See, I don't see any seal or anything to stop by. Have you ever seen La Jolla? We used to go lobstering too with friends. Oh yeah. Huh? Yeah, we go nighttime and then we just need to watch out. Remember, I was hanging out with a friend in Redondo Beach and Newport Beach. We go lobster, but we gotta pay attention because sometimes there's some people there. They make sure you measure your lobster so you release them because they check. They yell like, "All right, yeah, it's not worth it. You get lobster and then you get fined like $300." You gotta have a permit. You gotta have a measurement. It depends on the season though. If you get caught, but you know it doesn't matter. If it's season time, I think you're only allowed to catch at least 3 per day. It's still though, people normally catch that, put them in their container. Oh yeah. I mean, like, I guess the small one you can bring it back, but the big one, just take it with you. It's not gonna hurt them. But I can say, shit, you know how much lobster right there? Right, exactly. So what time you got here? No bite yet? Nothing yet? It's a lot of weight too. That's the weight. Actually, the weight is not that bad right now.
It's right here, Mission Bay and Glorieta Coronado.
Ah.
Yeah. That's where you catch some shit. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Which time of season? December?
Yeah, like around the the winter time. Yes. When they spawn, yeah. Those salmons are really good though. Those Alaskan salmon one, those are the best. You know what we used to catch? I don't know if you ever caught one of those, man, what kind of fish are that? That's salmon. They're normally common in the pier. Mackerel. We used to catch them big with Newport Beach, man. Well, we release them. I mean, I give it to people. We catch a bucket of them, then we give it to people. We don't cook them. We use mackerel as a bait too, and we use the glow. Oh man, they're so attractive with it, man. We used to stay until like 4, like we go like at night. We go at 10 o'clock at night. We stay until 4 o'clock in the morning. Oh man, that was beautiful to go fishing there. Yeah, it get really cold too. Oh yeah, and then we come home with like bucket of mackerel and some other fish, but we keep them away because my friend's mom, she loves to eat them, but she doesn't want too much of them. And they live in Long Beach. We used to be like mackerel is huge over there, but now I see mackerel like small. Yeah, the mackerel before used to go really big, especially in Redondo Beach, but they don't go big that much. Oh yeah, some halibut's are really good. I'm gonna check up these people and I'm gonna record them. Alright, thanks a lot, man. Thanks for the info, man. Good luck. Alright. Yeah. Are they jumping? Yeah, it's public stuff. Of course. Are they gonna jump? Oh yeah. And there's more stuff back there. We can go over there. Walk more. It's pretty good. I'm like, they're gonna jump away. I want to see them when they jump.